Students can now apply for Optional Practical Training, or OPT, online. To do so, you must first create an online account by going to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services website under the Tools and Resources section.
The link to this page will be included in the description. Click on Login or create a USCIS online account. If you do not yet have an account with USCIS, follow the instructions to create one.
Once you create an online account, click the File a Form Online button. Next, select the Application for Employment Authorization I-765 option. Read the instructions fully. They will explain the OPT categories, how your fee will be paid, what your photos need to look like, and all the documents you will need to upload. Gather those documents and scan them before starting the form. Click Next when you are ready to begin. There will be further instructions about the filing process. Once you read this information, you can press Start. When you complete the online I-765, make sure you read and answer all questions carefully. The questions begin with your selecting the appropriate category for the type of OPT you are applying for. If you are applying for pre-completion OPT, select C3A. If you are applying for post-completion OPT, select C3B. And finally, if you're applying for the STEM OPT extension, select C3C. If you're applying for the STEM OPT extension, you'll be asked to indicate your degree, the name of the company you will work for, and that company's E-Verify number. This is only for STEM OPT extensions. When prompted to select the reason for applying, indicate that you're applying for the first time, select Initial Permission to Accept Employment, applying for a replacement EAD card, or applying for the STEM OPT extension, a renewal of permission to accept employment. Answer yes or no to the question about having filed a previous I-765 as appropriate. Indicate that no one is assisting you with the application and click Next. In the About You section, you'll be asked to provide your name, your contact information, your personal description, your date and place of birth, your immigration information, and additional information. Fill in your name, enter your contact details, continue to enter your personal details, enter your citizenship information, current immigration and travel information, and click Next. Next, you'll enter your A number if you have one. Most students will not have one. You can enter your USCIS account number or check the box indicating you do not have one. Then, enter your Social Security number or SSN information. If you do not have a Social Security number, we recommend that you answer no to the question about the Social Security Administration issuing you an SSN. You can get one in person once the OPT EAD card is issued. Most students will already have an SSN at this point in their program of study. The next sections are going to ask you to upload required supporting documents, starting with 2 required photographs. Make sure that the photos meet the specifications described. Upload the file. The 12-month OPT application asks for your I-94 record. STEM OPT applications will prompt you to upload a copy of your previous EAD first. Upload the file. Use the Select a Document drop-down box to indicate that the document is your I-94 record. When prompted to upload the Employment Authorization document or Government ID, you will upload a copy of your previous EAD card if applying for the STEM OPT extension, or you'll upload your passport if applying for the pre-completion or post-completion OPT. If you are applying for pre-completion or post-completion OPT, you'll be asked for previous CPT and OPT I-20s. Scan all documents into one PDF file and upload. Use the Select a Document drop-down box to select the appropriate document you are uploading. All OPT applicants will be asked to upload the I-20 with the current OPT recommendation from UC International Services. Upload the file. When filing for the STEM OPT extension, you will be asked to upload a copy of your transcript showing degree completion. Upload the file. Once you select the file, you will see it appear below the upload box. Click Next when done. If the basis for your STEM OPT extension is a degree that you previously obtained, for example, if your current 12-month OPT period is not based on your most recent UC degree, you must also upload documentation that UC is accredited. We have a document provided in the OPT e-form in iBearcats Global for this purpose. Upload the file. If additional information is needed for any reason, you can click the Add a Response button. In most cases, this will not be necessary, and you can simply click Next. You'll have the opportunity to review your application, address any errors the system perceives on what you have submitted, and pay the application fee. If there are system errors, address them before proceeding. Once the system shows no errors, you can move forward. Review your answers one more time to ensure that there are no mistakes, particularly with your name, date of birth, and address. Once you are sure all your required information is correct, check the box indicating that you understand English. Next, you will be asked to make a declaration and certification about the application and materials you have provided, and type your name for an electronic signature. The final step is to pay for your application. Follow the instructions to pay the fee at pay.gov following the link provided. Select your payment method and follow the instructions. You will receive a notification that you have successfully submitted your application once the fee is paid. You will immediately receive a notice that your application has been filed. Use the Case Status tab to track the status of your case. You can also download your receipt notice, monitor correspondence that is sent to you, and review the documents you uploaded. Once your OPT Employment Authorization Document, or EAD, is received, you are required to submit a copy of the card to UC International Services using our iBearcats Global system. Use the Update Immigration/Visa Documents e-form in the Biographical Information menu to upload a copy of the EAD.